Welcome to our deep dive into the essential skills every data scientist must have. First, let's talk about programming. Python and R are the backbone of data science. They allow you to perform data manipulation, analysis, and build machine learning models. Python, with its simplicity and readability, is perfect for beginners and experts alike. It has a vast array of libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and Scikit-learn that make data handling and machine learning tasks easier. On the other hand, R is a powerful language specifically designed for statistical analysis and visualization. It excels in creating detailed plots and graphs, making it invaluable for data scientists. Both languages are essential tools in the data science toolkit, each offering unique strengths and capabilities. Next, statistics. A strong foundation in statistics is crucial for understanding data distributions, hypothesis testing, and predictive modeling. Then we have machine learning. From supervised learning to deep learning, understanding how these algorithms work is key. Data visualization is another critical skill. It's about telling a story with your data, making complex information accessible through visuals. By transforming raw data into engaging charts, graphs, and maps, you can highlight trends, patterns, and outliers that might be missed in text-based data. This skill not only aids in better decision-making, but also helps in communicating insights effectively to a broader audience. Mastering data visualization tools and techniques can significantly enhance your ability to present data in a compelling and understandable way. Finally, big data tools. Handling and processing large data sets require familiarity with technologies like Hadoop and Spark. Ready to elevate your data science skills to the next level? Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, our resources are designed to help you succeed. Join our mailing list today and gain exclusive access to a wealth of knowledge, including free webinars, comprehensive online courses, and in-depth masterclasses led by industry experts. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your expertise and stay ahead in the ever-evolving field of data science. Click the link in the description below to sign up now and start your journey towards becoming a data science expert. Your future in data science begins here.